Okay, that's the beautiful Sarah Geronimo who does not need jewelry. Siron. Pero okay lang din, ano? Okay, Siron, Sarah, ang galing mong kumanta. Sana maka-duet kita. Straight talk, the best. Okay. Marian, you're so pretty, Sarah. Good luck sa concert mo at pakigreet naman ako.
Thanks po, Marian.
Jane Gaviola, Maasin City. Hi, Sito. I always watch your show. Hi, Sarah. I wish I have a nice voice like you. I can sing, but I have no confidence. Saan mo nakukuha yung lakas ng loob? Yung confidence?
Lumalabas na rin po yun kapag nafe-feel mo yung song po. Kailangan po intindihin niyo po yung song.
Ayun. Kasi ikaw, ini-enjoy mo yung pagkanta.
Opo.
Hindi mo kinakareer. Di ba? Yun, okay. Joyce, hi Sarah. Who's your designer? Ang ganda kasi ng mga gowns mo.
Hi! Thank you po kay Mr. Rahul Laurel and Mr. Rep Iyala. Sila pong designers.
Okay. Well, very good designers pala eh. Meg, Sarah, good luck on your concert. Kaya mo mapuno ang Araneta. You can do it. Just believe.
Okay, thank you po.
Eh, kailangan, Meg, maghakot ka. Okay, Gigi, comment ko lang, Sarah, gusto mo ba maka-love team si Kuya Mark Bautista? Kasi bagay kayo. Si Mark yata ito eh.
Love team ko po si Mark.
Ayan, okay. Kirk Aroza, USLS, Bacolod City. Sarah, crush kita to the max. Walang katapat, mag-concert ka sana dito sa Bacolod.
Bacolod?
Bacolod.
Nakatapos na po kami dyan po, Night of the Champions.
Okay. Chris, Sarah is such a great performer and yet she's so down to earth.
Wow.
Okay. Kate Tan, can you be my text mate? This is my number. Eh, Kate, ibigay ko kaya yung telephone number mo dyan sa screen. Baka patayin mo ako. Okay. But do you still have time to answer all the fan mail? Kasi million na rin ng mga fan mail, mga text, etc. Do you still get time o pa-konti-konti na lang?
Ngayon po, inaasikaso na po. Kasi importante po talaga po eh.
Okay. Rain, Ski, Dano, Zone 3, Gumamela, Davao, I love you till I die. Wala namang patayan. Okay. I will give all of your numbers to Sarah. Reynold Alistado, Dipolog, Sarah, you are very talented. Can I ask a copy of your CD? My address is Estaca, Dipolog. Kung naman, Reynold, meron kang pambayad ng cable, may pambili ka naman ng CD siguro, no? Okay. Beth of Quezon City, how do you maintain your voice? Nakakain ka pa ba ng sweets like ice cream or chocolates? Answered already. Okay, Michelle Padua, thank you po sa pag-guest ninyo kay Sarah. Ang galing-galing po talaga niya. May tanong lang ako, Sarah.
Ano po?
Kung ikaw ang papipiliin, sino gusto mo makitang mag-guest dito? Huwag na yung nanay mo kasi ayaw magpa-camera eh.
Guess po dito?
Who would you want to be on this show? Well, coaching ka na naman. Coaching ka na naman. Babatuloy na kita ng microphone. Ano ba?
Si Miss Regine po, nag-guest na po ba dito?
Ikaw ang magdadala sa kanya dito, dahil ayaw mag-guest dito noon. Oo. Akala terrorist kami. Okay. Jaime, anong preparation ang ginagawa mo before a concert? Good question.
Vocalize po at saka wag na po masyadong magsalita.
Okay. Froilan, please sing a few lines of your favorite song. What's your favorite song?
Favorite song? Sige po na lang po. If I Ain't Got You.
If I Ain't Got You. Okay, wag na kasi wala na tayong time. Yana, favorite ko po si Sarah. Ang galing niya. Polly Vecino, fan ako ni Sarah. Please give me an autographed picture. The address is there. Felix Ramos, Bacolod City. Mr. Beltran, great show, great guest, great host. Bravo, two of the best for me to date. Tommy Manotok and Dante Silverio. God bless. Just keep the suggestions coming. Pupunuin po natin. Doms, hi Sarah. Do you also listen to rock music? Are you still, studying, yes, rock music.
Opo naman.
Okay, what's your favorite band?
Linkin Park po, Bamboo. Yan po.
Okay. Miguel of Bacolod, hi Sarah. Please i-add mo ako sa Friendster mo. Okay, I'm putting Len Sarmiento, Sito, your show is very interesting and enjoyable. Thank you very much, Len. Oscar, anong training ang ginagawa ng father mo para ma-develop ang voice mo? Is it true pareho kayo na naging training ni Regine? Yung nasa drum.
Opo,
Saka nasa dagat.
Sa drum po ako. Kasi
Drum ka?
labong dagat sa Manila.
Walang dagat sa tama ka doon. Pero may mga farms daw, may irrigation pond. Okay, Rainsky. Idol Sara, finally feel ko abot kita. Please greet me advance. Happy birthday, October 30. Please give me your contact number. Love you. I'll pray for you, Idol. Astrud, what do you do to improve yourself? Do you still take voice lessons?
Yes po,
With
voice
whom?
lessons. Miss Kichi Molina po.
Okay, Shun Venegas, Sean Venegas, hello Sarah, idol kita mula pa sa Search for a Star concert. Can I ask for your cell phone number? Mamaya, bibigay po natin lahat yan. Jason of Loag City, si Sarah Geronimo na kaya ang next Jolina Magdangal, thanks and more
Sana
power. Sana?
Sana.
Ay, hindi pa pareho naman kayo.
Oo nga po.
Oh, okay,
Magkamukha
sige.
daw po kami.
Alan, Sarah, sana makita in person. I love you. We love you, Sarah. So refreshing in every way. Edward Milan of Coronadal City. Vincent Alejandro of Marikina. Hi, Sarah. Ang ganda mo. I-confirm mo naman yung Friendster ko. I can't help falling for you. Sana ma-meet kita. Oy,
Wala po.
paki-meet ko. Araneta Coliseum, September 30. Okay, Conrad, favorite kita talaga. Please remain as humble as you are. Vince, how did you spend your first million?
Tuition fee po. Ang mga utang. Yan.
Okay. Penny, nagsisave ka na ba ng money for yourself?
Para po sa sa bahay po namin.
Bahay. Okay. Melinda, pinapagawa ka pa ba ng mga household chores sa house?
Minsan po, ako lang. Minsan. Konti.
Okay. Well, thank you very much,
Thank you po,
Sarah.
Tito Sito.
And so nice to see na hindi ka pa rin nagbabago. Stay humble. And we wish you all the best for your concert. September 30, Ada Araneta. What time?
8 p.m. po. And Tito Sito, gusto ko rin
Go
po
ahead.
sila imbitahan sa mga taga Cebu po. Meron pong The Other Side concert dyan sa Waterfront Hotel, Lahug, Cebu City. And maraming salamat po sa Angelicum School. Maraming salamat po sa chance at sa UST. Yan po. Thank you po, Tito
Okay.
Sito.
That's all the time we have here on Straight Talk. Please, let us support our talents, our kababayan, and especially the young people, young artists. Before we even support others, let's encourage them and take time, spend time with your family. God bless all of you. We hope you enjoy the show.